chip on the Prada, send me feeling bad. I'll be looking like the nigga that you wish you had. Them my girls, them a coming, them a looking bad. Man, I'm rolling with my niggas and we moving mad. So me light on up and put it up till the morning. Them I know that your mind, so they be stalling. And I'll be always there to answer whenever you're calling. And you always hold me down whenever it's boring. So sexy when you think about, I can't tell me nothing. What you talk about, man, I light you up, you will turn me on. Man, I play my song, you will sing along. You got me elevated like I hit the bomb. 007, man, I James Bond. Me wanna get that feeling, something that give me that.
Yeah, man. Yeah. We couldn't go change money, you know, make it structure over there. If you have foreign ID, you know, or Duke or what's the ID to change money. Original Batman.
I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling. I mean my feelings, Batman me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test, when I'm moving nobody can test me. Man I really complex, them man them I really can test me. Way I put it down, Jagaban them I call me number one. Understand man I put them on the run, can't understand never putting on the show on the road. Man, I give them on the go, on the pole. Man, I ringing up the show on the low. Man, I killing up the show, let them know. Man, I cooking up the flow. I like the way I'm feeling.
We made it finally. Guys, we are in Priory St. Anne, at this restaurant called Seaside Dutchie. We've been wanting to go here for years now, well, and we finally made it happen. It's me, my mom, and my granddad's in the back, and we're about to see what it's about. It's nice though, it's by the beach.
See the man them turn up, inna the yard them a burn up, till the morning them a turn up. I like the way I'm feeling, can't touch this feeling. I mean my feelings, Batman me I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can test, when I'm moving nobody can test me. Man I really complex, them man them I really can.
Thank you. Thank you. Think it's not other Dutch pot to man, but maybe I feel like it's stew.
Like Dubai. Sometimes they eat rice and fish, and you see people over the
The Estes Beach and the Bammy.
Sometimes they eat hot.
Right. No, I swim at your own risk. No, I said them miss about swim at your own risk. I know the prettiest beach, but the best. I'm gonna get there with the restaurant back home. Okay. Your tour. Your tour, Huh? Right. We always want to.
Always want to see.
Yeah. What is up, you guys? I'm now back home. After we went to the place, we went and got pudding. I think I vlogged that. And now I want to try the pudding because I wasn't hungry then, but now I am. So I want to see how that tastes. I'm trying to figure out where I can prop you guys. Oh, my bad. I got a tripod right here, and I'm acting dumb. There's music playing in the background. Hopefully y'all can't hear it. They look like the same size. I know. Anyways, this was like $300, so like $3 US. So let's see. It's a little dark in here, sorry, but it looks so good. This place always has the best pudding. So let's see. Take a bite. This is good. It's good, y'all. I like it. It's good. I have to get me a piece. Like, we always like stop here on our way from the airport, but we didn't do it this time. And then in the pandemic, you know, everything was kind of closed down. So when we came in 2020, we didn't get it either. So I got my 876 water. $876 for the non-Jamaicans is just Jamaica's area code, 876. But yeah, that's what I wanted to show you guys. Tomorrow I'm going to my granddad's house, and then you know, from there I think I might wake up early tomorrow because I need to go get braiding hair because I'm braiding my hair on Saturday. Today's Thursday, and our last day is next Wednesday. So trying to get my hair braided before I go back home. So I'm gonna get the braiding hair tomorrow and wash my hair, and then I'm gonna wash my hair, probably just like put it in 2 braids after I blow dry it. And yeah, tomorrow's my aunt's birthday, so we're going out to eat as well. So I'll take you guys with me. And yeah, I don't even know how this vlog is gonna end. You know, I just vlog. I don't think I have a crazy amount of content, so it's probably gonna be 1 vlog or 2 at most. We'll see when I get back and I start editing. But yeah, I will see you guys tomorrow.
Where is that saying from? I don't get it.
They look
What
so.
is your Jamaica? You understand it.
Carry see you guys can
Somebody
do
says it.
it.
You do know shit now. Yes, you know what I heard an interview this guy the other day. Really brave guy. What did he say? Let me look out in the eye.
So me I light up the fire. I Yeah, them I want a bad man, put a ring on it. You're the only one me I really gotta think of. Trust me when I say you're the only one I feel for. Wine for me, girl, them I really try confuse me. For the money, me not flip on your head. You got a thing that go Chris for a man. I got the money, so they sing for me, girl. Wine for me, girl, she a wine for me, man. Now if you lose control, you got the fire can cool, let's get the groove on. Aye, on a cruise control, let the vibes come true, let's make a move on. Aye, them really
What's up, you guys? It's a new day. I'm up by my granddad's house. If you've been watching my Jamaica vlogs, you remember this background. I was up here like in 2020. I came to visit. It's just my granddad up here. Everyone lives up, you know, in the United States. So he's the last one that needs to come up. So yeah. But we're down here. It's so cool out because it's supposed to rain. And he's making like ackee and saltfish because ackee has been scarce, I guess, because it's spring, like early spring. So, you know, normally when it's summertime, like everything's here, but not spring. So we're all here. It's me and my mom waiting for him to cook so we can eat, and then we go back home because today's my aunt's birthday and we're trying to go out to eat. So yeah. But it's so cool up here. It's so cool. Like, this is the best time to come to Jamaica, y'all. Like, April, like the best because it's spring. I know if you don't like rain, you want to do stuff. No, but it doesn't rain like throughout the day. Like, it's on and off. So it's perfect. Like, it hasn't been that hot. Like, I haven't been sweating like at home. And I'm definitely like really cool here. Watch some videos in the meantime because up here, the only thing with up here is that it's boring. Like, you know, where I grew up, like, it's boring down there too, but it's like people are doing stuff. People are out and about. Like, it's a bit different up here. Like, everyone kind of sticks to inside their homes. So it's not much people outside. And it's always music playing where I'm from. So, you know, it's just always some little energy, some little vibe. But I love up here though. Like, I've been thinking about probably staying up here 1 year that I come down, but I would need a car though, because I'm not gonna stay up here every day. But yeah, I will get back to you guys when I'm eating, so you can see my food, and then I'll take you guys with me later when I go out to eat.
Like, here, when I say the people have to walk home from this and beyond Discovery, near the places over there. Yeah, without getting the test. Me a face say what a wicked set of people.
$75.
Yeah. Me a face say what a wicked set of people make me waste me $75. Coincidence though, wow. Oh, yeah. Yeah, down here, me have to say for the most part, down here,
Look
it's really hot
horrible.
this time. So, no fit mangoes.
Sugar and busting. Guys, this is my granddad's mango tree. There's some mangoes on it, but you know, they're still green. So, puff like a rock. But yeah, this is it. He got an old door here, but he picked one of them for us that was right. But look at those baby ones. But yeah. Anyways, let me go back in.
See if you want the pan camera.
Yeah, so the rain are coming on. The food. Aki. Banana. Yam. Dumpling. Corn. Looks so good. Grandpa right there.
One thing, the word it a come. It a come. One thing it a come. The name a come. In a single word, she said, what is that name? Alright. James Sleeping Cage. What do you think is the name of the
Now, and it will never happen again.
What is up, you guys? I'm back. It's dark
Once
out
in
here,
her life.
though. I'm at the, what is it called? Ocean 11.
How beautiful
It's
are
dark
you?
out.
Good evening, madam. Kevin, I like the way you're on point.
Oh, they have karaoke tonight.
What is up, you guys? I'm back. We're waiting for the rest of my family to get here. We're all out here at by Ocean 11. It's like down by like Margaritaville. And it looks nice in there. It looks like it's a vibe. I think they're doing karaoke night tonight too, so that should be fun. But yeah. Waiting for everyone else to get here so we can go in. Happy birthday! It's the birthday girl. You guys are in here now, and updates in the vlog. As you can see, we're at a whole new restaurant because they didn't have anything at the last place. So we had to figure something out real fast. Jalen, you okay? Yes. Now we're waiting for the food, so everyone's taking pictures. But yeah, I'm starving.
Ready? Over the south, over Margaritaville.
Yeah.
Some people, the funny thing is, I mean, actually, I'm going to take me as my Jerry, come take a picture. Serena, take a picture.
I'm watching. Let me see him again. You think you're Jalen?
What Jerry take it? Let me see. Don't laugh because that means you win.
Oh yeah, are we a friend there? You could have when we need him, he gone. Take one picture all the way. What is up, you guys? It's the girl Tori. Why am I saying that? Anyways, I am back home, and I got here. It's now like 12:30, 12:45. I just finished taking my hair down so that I can wash it tomorrow when I wake up and blow dry it. So I was like, I'm not about to be taking all my braids out, so I did this. Honestly, I could have run my hair like this out, but yeah. Jaden, what do you think I'm in here style?
Boy,
What do you think of me yourself?
It's bushy.
Mm-hmm. Anyways, now I'm about to take my makeup off, go to bed, because I have to wake up at 6, and so I have enough time, because girl, type 4 hair, you don't know how it's gonna go. So I'm gonna do that, and then I have to be at the place by 9. It's like a 20-minute drive. So yeah, I get it. Here with Siri, guys. I'm back. Braided my hair. It's long, you guys. And now Siri and I we're walking to Starbucks so Siri can get a drink, because I don't think I'm getting anything. I don't want any Starbucks, but you know what I get?
No, that's what it's
Okay.
like.
It's funny because we were just down here last night because we went to a restaurant like up there, and then we did this whole walk, and now we're doing it again in less than 24 hours. So yeah, gonna get that, walk back, take a taxi, and go home so I can eat something because I haven't had anything to eat all morning. So yeah. Excuse me. You know which way for walk to get to the Starbucks? Huh? Thank you. Somebody might look for chat with you. Okay, so I guess I don't wear you. I remember I could have see it while me there or something there. But how if it gets up there? Guys are in Starbucks. Okay, and see a cake pot there for $400. You want? What do you think? You like it? Like it?
Tastes like tea.
Tastes like tea? You have coffee in it. That's our cookies and cream one if you ever want to try again. How about that? How it tastes? Never have it before. Tastes good? Okay.
Hi.
Hello. Chelsea, a long time you know the on the vlog. Got the cake.
On the vlog today, second time in a row with the vlog. Second time. You're the funny. Later tomorrow.
Hello.
Oh, Chelsea.
Don't mess with it. Go over there, so. Okay, if you not turn up here, not see what breed funny.
So come with my beat for the camera.
I mean, I want to go mess with you and you go draw.
Hello, everybody. Look, and this is Jamie, and this is Tori.
Okay. What is up, you guys? Why does it look so blurry?
Hello. No one killing unto
Okay. Then put it down somewhere.
So we get rid of every baby bag. Maybe like a spoon.
Okay.
I just extra so.
And just them there carry with your two on.
Yeah. Hi vlog. This is us. We're going.
Go to a rafting park anyway. Oh, you know what I go? Yeah, I said we're not start off by a rafting park anyway. Sorry, you really pop out most of the yeah.
We're going to the beach. There's grandma. Say hi, grandma. Say hi, Auntie Roseanne.
If it's a cashmere. Yeah, so with me.
Say hi, Tori. I'm starting the vlog today.
Yeah, they might normally make it there in a town with that, but to me that don't get miss allergies about me and me rub me. Next time ready for this just rip them. I know they ever search me. They on what they mean is me allergic to allergy. But every time I need to catch up my wax. Yeah. Yeah, see it there.
Come. Jump phone and vlog. Yes, we're going to
Chelsea,
the beach.
put your phone in your pocket and have me a car. Put
Two
your
in our bag now.
Put your phone in your pocket.
Hey,
We're vlogging.
because just in time, we're gonna walk to the beach, so I'm not gonna have Wi-Fi.
I could put on craft in our vlog.
I just
You're not going to be able to yeah.
yeah. So when I walk a little bit further, I'm not gonna have any Wi-Fi. So whenever I cut,
Tell Uncle Alfie, Auntie Roseanne. Tell Uncle Alfie.
Kareem, how you feel?
Hi, Uncle Ralph. I'm good. Going to the beach. What you say?
You're off today.
Yes, I'm off. And tomorrow. I'm good.
You said to enjoy.
Yes.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna rain. See? No sun. Yeah, Ralph, the weather won't.
Grandma.
What's the rest yet?
Look at that. Look on the rain. I'm already say when you buy photo. How was your weapon? Yeah, I'm gonna go. It's cutting off. Yeah, so. Oh, my friend.
When there?
Guys, we're here walking to the beach. I live if you're from the Ocho Rios area, I live like on the White River side. So it's like a 10-15 minute walk to the beach from where I'm at. So Me see him. I just say me try look like me not see him. So anyways, y'all, we're walking and we should be like 10 minutes away. Curvin, where you come from, beach?
Today was very, oh my god. She not open. Princess never open today. I don't see you. Oh, you're doing a YouTube video? Let me.
No.
Hey, my name is Craven. Hey.
No. Alright, Craven. So yes, guys, we're here walking. This is where we normally walk. Come over here, sir. But guys, look at the sky. It's gonna rain. I don't think we're gonna stay for long. So, but I'll show you guys when we get closer.
Thank you, darling. You going to rap?
Today my birthday.
Wait. I ain't make a party when I dance.
Me not keep no dance.
That joke I make, you know.
I see that it's my birthday.
Where I go pan rap?
I something one that's money rap.
So when I come up in a buy 2 beer, man.
So we can drink the beer down at the river.
Eh?
We can drink the beer down at the beach.
Where I go beach?
Yeah.
Ah, me soon come down.
Me not say them.
Me say me not like to you.
And you're them are full of money.
Well, yes. That's what I want to stop you.
Grandma, you can hold me back? I turn up on that shade with it.
Hey, Grandma.
Guys, so guys, it's raining and I don't know if I'm gonna do the rafting anymore, but I wanted to get a video of the bridge overseeing like the water and stuff so you can see how it looks. So these are the steps, right? And this is the bridge that parts Ocho, Rios, parts St. Anne and St. Mary. So it's basically the border. So you see? Yeah. Anyways, this is the bridge, y'all. And that's where we're coming from. And I'm gonna show you guys the rafting, but the water is like, it looks dirty. There goes my family. Grandma! Grandma! There they are, getting shade. So what I love taking pictures up here, even though it's raining. I might come back on Saturday and do the rafting. But this is how it looks, you guys. Beautiful, right?
I go near the find it.
Been across the road, but I go to what? Guys, these are the signs that they're putting everywhere. So you see it says St. Mary because right here is St. Mary. Here it says St. Anne because now this is St. Anne. See?
Major Italian beer. We just buy something, the chicken, some wings. I be everything give me. I told you, Italy dish no normal, man. Some beer no cosine.
They like to like.
Some beer no cosine.
Ow! Ow!
Which part? Which part in the
How you can get here up there?
Man, the woman alright, and I say, I got to pick up here and the chicken, a breast, you know, a wing, you know. That's what I want breast.
Dylan, sit down and stop kicking me with your wet shoes.
I mean, I like breast. Well, I leg on time, you know, and this. See, buffalo breast.
Guys, the rain's not stopping. It's not stopping. So, we're getting fish and eating it, and then we're going to
White cheese, you know. Tomato panita pie. I want for tomato panita pie.
Me like Italian food, but me not from Jamaica. You guys, it's raining. Who makes this all go? Oh, look. Look. But the beach there done.
Take over.
We met us all that we had. I didn't sit down in an rain. I didn't really see nobody. And I people just had the rafting and get to, because they at least have umbrella on the raft.
The rain is falling and now you just stop all like 3 o'clock at the time.
And that man said, what they sell?
Fish and bami and fish.
Man, me my best that I just sit down and eat and got my ass. So, okay guys, this is the fish and the meat. So good.
You ever seen me around here?
Never you tell him play football.
Yeah, scratch that one.
Yeah. What team rock?
The one in there. The panda one there, mommy. Mommy. The panda one there. The one in there. You know, me not tell us that they don't rub down there and give foot down, give them massage. Alright, you guys, so I'm walking back home. My parents, my mom and cousins and stuff are all the way back. They walk so slow. And I'm gonna beat them home. I just have to walk a little bit more and I'm home. So the rain finally stopped, but it's all mucky. I don't like going to the beach when it's raining and then it's all muddy everywhere. No. So what I did was I saved my coin. I saved my $5,000 that I was going to give to them to go on that raft because the water is looking real dirty. Like all the, you know, the dirt is running down into the river. So now the river is brown. And that's not aesthetically pleasing to me. I'm sorry, but I'm not wasting my money to go on a raft. And the pictures don't turn out good. You know, I know it's not just about the raft. It's about the experience. But It's not worth it. See, I still can't see them. I'm gonna see them when I get home, child. They're walking a little too slow for me. I just hope a dog doesn't chase me. Whew. It's lit. So where I walk to get home is called, like, we call it Common. It's just like a bunch of bushes and stuff. I usually just walk through here so I can cut out like walking all the way around to get to my house. But it gets muddy down here though. Ugh. Let me show y'all. Like I'm walking in mud and it's slippery. It's slippery. But we almost home through this shortcut. But yes, like I was saying, I know it's not just about the living in the moment, but I feel like, you know, a lot of people go on the routes to take like a nice picture, and I'm not feeling that. It was raining. I don't want my braids to get wet already. Like I just got them done, and I have natural hair, so yeah, I'll try that again. I might go again on Tuesday. I still don't see them, y'all. Still do not see them. And here go my cousins. They took a taxi, so I don't know what they're doing already. Oh, so when I wait time take taxi for? Well, no, you look fine. What? What stuff? That filter you see? Simulate that filter here for some reason.
Ketchup over here.
What do you know?
Ketchup and the sauce.
Chelsea, you're finally in the video.
Yeah.
Finally out with you. Mary.
There's something for the gun tour. They know the wife will come on the gun make flowers to Every minute it up. Every minute somebody.
You guys, I got jelly. My cousin chopped it for us. Because we have a jelly tree like further up the street. And then down by my aunt's house, we got some breadfruit. My grandma's eating hers. Turn over. I'm going to turn over with the jelly. What is up, you guys? It's your girl Tori, and I don't know, I'm introducing myself. So, I got COVID. I have COVID. So my throat was feeling scratchy, itchy, like since today is Tuesday, so it's been feeling like that since like Saturday. Yesterday, which was Monday, we were having like a family day, and my throat was still kind of itchy, so I decided to take a at-home test because we brought like one for each person, and I checked and it was positive. So I checked again, positive. My mom did hers and my grandma, and they're negative, and my cousin is negative, so I'm the only one that has COVID. I don't know how. So now we have to extend our trip till next Wednesday. Hopefully, I feel better by then. But yeah, that's COVID.
2, 3.
Happy birthday!
Yes, we'll put in man. What's that? Go put it in. Me not put in. I must worry when I don't know about the work. I worry. Say something to you. I don't want to go to church.
What is up, you guys? I'm back. I'm at the supermarket because we leave tomorrow, and I'll catch you guys up when I get home. But we're in the supermarket right now, just getting some last minute stuff, to bring back home that we don't normally get at home. Guys, I found these. I used to love these as a kid. Digestive chocolate cookie, so good. So I bought like 6 total. And we got like the cornbread, and then my mom's looking at bullets and stuff. My mom and my grandma. So yeah. 15? Yeah. You want to go check you out first before you come back here, sir? Yeah. You want Starbucks in here, mommy? Okay. Right. Grandma, you see any look? Grandma, you see any look? You don't look like that the last time we did on here. Here. No. What is up, you guys? I'm back. It's a new day. I'm at the airport. I'm at the airport getting ready to board my flight. It's currently like 12:30. We board at like 2:30. So we're finding a gate to make sure I'm all good to go. And then yeah, back to Philly. Back to the US. 3 weeks. Y'all, spent 3 weeks. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys when I'm on the plane. Oh really? Yeah, this only. Oh, they ran it here again. Because I did the 1 year me that for buy last year. And see they have stones again. Okay, so I just got some shorts. I don't know. You have to carry up there? Yeah, because then it was your first one then, for some odd reason. Probably like $5. I should say hot sauce I did for $4. Huh? Ask the guy or she walked on. Oh yeah, I'll go try that instead. Yeah. They don't care the $2 because I go payment for them. Oh, okay. Well, ask the guy. Correct. Right. Always want Jamaican, you know? Oh. Jamaica. You guys, I'm getting coffee because as a kid, I used to love Blue Mountain coffee. So I ended up getting some. I got like a medium size, I got like the medium size one for like $24. So yeah, about to drink it tomorrow and see how it tastes. I'm getting hot sauce and more coffee. So yeah, my grandma's buying curry. Alright, Alright, you guys, so we're on the plane. It's currently 2:53. Supposed to leave at like 3 something. So 3:11. So we're all there. We're all here, and then yeah, we made it. And once I get to Philly, I'll end the vlog when we get there. And yeah, I'll do that. It's not a busy flight though. Like a lot of seats are empty. Like look at this girl next to me. Oh, my grandma's blocking it, but no one's sitting next to her. Like there's not a lot of people on here, which is good. It's weird though, because you don't have to wear a mask anymore. I'm still wearing it because, you know, I got empty rows, but it's a lot of empty rows. People don't have to wear masks. Yeah.
I like the way I'm feeling. Can't touch this feeling. I'm in my feelings. Bad man, me, I handle my dealings. Ain't no bag I can taste. When I'm moving, nobody can test me. Man, I really complex. Them man, them I really can't test me. Pass me the Hennessy. Let me tell you what I see. It is written in the stars what I see. She a tell me say her boyfriend YC. Man, I feeling so icy, vibesy. Man, a bad man, you can call me YB. And I step in at the yard with no ID. And we a bossy down with no.
What is up, you guys? Got RJ in the building. Guys, I'm back home, so I wanted to come on here and end this vlog. It's getting dark. Let me turn the light on. Alright, you guys, so I made it back home, y'all. And I know RJ was in my bed, because look how it's looking. Anyways, made it back home, so I'm going to end this vlog here. And yeah, I don't think I've said it, but make sure to like this video. Make sure to subscribe to this channel for more vlogs and lifestyle videos. And make sure to share and like and comment, all that. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.